Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia Global. This is Chandrasekhar, mentor at YourPedia Global. This is really a very important video related to your Germany application, Germany MS preparation and all, right? So Germany introduced one exam. Those who are aspiring to pursue their MS in Germany, this is must and should exam for every one of you, right? This is a dMAT exam, right? This video largely deals with how to fill this application form, how to register for dMAT, how to fill the application form for dMAT. See, when you open the website, you will get this page. There you will be getting something like reservation number. If you click on this, you won't be getting anything. Here you will face a lot of difficulty. This is the main thing. Do not reservation number. What you do is, generally what people do is they will search for reservation number and all. For a lot of time they are going to waste. They will be wasting, which is not required. But here you have to click on this worldwide. Okay, yes, this is clickable. If you click on this, you will get this. See, this is not this. You will be getting this one. Before we go to that, there are some important dates. September 26th is the date of dMAT examination. Okay, sir, what the examination is going to contain, for which branch, for which course, which exam, all this we will be discussing later in the next video, not in this video. We will get a separate video. Stay tuned to YourPedia Global. You will be getting a lot of information regarding this one, important information in fact, right? So application deadline is 29th. See, deadline means starting date is 29th of June and ending is 15th of September. Yes, ending date for the application form is 15th of September, and result will be announced on 12th of October 2026. Right? Let's do a deep dive. So these are the test centers. These are the test centers. In this, some of the centers are already fully booked. If you see, some Max Muller Bhavan, New Delhi, fully booked. So like that, some centers are already fully booked. Okay, so you have to take the center which is near to you or which is accessible to you, easily accessible to you. That is up to you in the available centers. Right? In the available centers, one center you pick it up. Right? All these are available centers in the website. These are easily visible to you guys, right? So here, this is the last center in Chandigarh. Now, if you go further, you will get a shopping cart. Examination date, test center. I selected test center as Study Feeds Chennai. Right? Next, subject specific module, general academic module. Yes, you have to select the general academic module. Right? Next is login. For that you have to register. Then registration process is very easy. Yes, how to register? Mr. Other, first name, last name, date of birth, country. Okay, so these things are generic things. That's why I'm going a little fast here. Those are generic things, right? Email address, username, password. Some password you have to put, right? Show password, and this is the declaration. Then if you put register, you get some login ID and password, right? Your address also. Yes, street and number, postal code, city, country, and here photograph you have to add, and identification. So here in identification, any of these identity cards, right? Passport, resident permit, Aadhaar. Okay, these can be used. And here identity document number you have to put there, right? So test module and exam language. So general academic module you have to select. What is general academic module? Suppose you are an engineer in electrical, so electrical related paper will be given. If you are an engineer in electronics related paper will be given. If you are an engineer in mechanical related paper will be given. Right? Test module and exam language. Right? So this way you have to proceed. Right? So identity, right? Identity card you have to select. Then overview. Yes, see, once you fill all the data, overview will come here. That is just you overview, and after that give the declaration, confirm it. Once you confirm, it will ask for the payment. Right? So these are the steps to follow while filling this dMAT registration form and application form for the exam. Right? It is simple process, but there are some difficulties. Like the very first difficulty what you face in this is, if you search for this reservation number, it will take a lot of time for you. Yes, it will take a lot of time for you. That's why you have to click on this worldwide. You have to click on this worldwide, right? Then you have to proceed further and selecting the center which is accessible to you. Select that center. And one more very important thing here is this which module you have to select. General academic module you have to select. So these are the most specific doubts students are having in filling this dmat, right? So next video will be on what will be the paper, how will be the paper related to paper, okay? For some branches I'll be taking, for branches like electrical and physics, for these kind of branches I'll be making video. Stay tuned. Thank you.